I'm not a people person. I have a small group I'm comfortable with, tend to avoid larger groups. Everybody has an addiction. Mine just happens to be Sons of Anarchy shirt shy I am. If it's work I can switch to being all outgoing. But I much rather keep to myself. K just wish more people understood that not everyone has to. Everybody has an addiction, mine just happens to be Sons of Anarchy shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Hoodie. Everybody has an addiction, mine just happens to be Sons of Anarchy shirt. Sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck. While it's too blunt of a question, if you do get asked it, I would recommend a bit of fake it till you make it. Basically just confidently reply as if their intent was any of the above. Unless you have heart. Everybody has an addiction, mine just happens to be Sons of Anarchy shirt with someone. No misunderstandings. But actual like. They insulted you. It's probably best to assume that they're clumsily trying to put you at ease, or at least make sure there's not something going on that they. Other product.